Dawson and I are here. Say hi, Dawson. We're here to do what would be your activity for science lesson number 1. Obviously, I've had a long day of being outside and playing, and I'm sunburnt and all of the above. But I wanted to show you guys what we would have done in class had we been there. So the first thing I would have done is put you guys into groups, your favorite thing ever. And you would have gotten a set of cards. The cards would have looked like this. So you can notice that, these are all space objects, right? And you would look through them and you would have to agree as a group. You would say, yeah, Dawson's trying to tell you what he would do. So you would try and determine and come up with a way that you would group these and you would label them. So one thing that sticks out to me are the colors. I notice a blue here, something blue here, and something else blue here. Maybe that's how your group would group them. And down here I see a lot of orange popping out. And you would get Post-it notes and you would say, Mrs. Oshner, we grouped by orange, blue. Or maybe you would group them by shadows. If you look at this one really close, you may see that there's a shadow cast on this space object. Oh my. And you may have also noticed, like, hey, I think some of these are planets. Some of these are maybe asteroids. Or maybe you would have a category of, like, I don't know what that one is. So you'd agree as a group how to categorize these. Then the next thing that would happen is once everybody had them all categorized, I would have you flip them over because there is some information on the back of each card. It tells you the type. So here, this is Earth. Obviously, we are a type of planet. It would tell you distance from the sun. And then it uses the word diameter. If you do not know what that word means, you have to learn it right now. Diameter is how far across a circle is. So in this case, we're looking at more sphere shaped items. So it's how far, I'm going to bite this, how far across it is from one side to the other through the center. So this is a satellite and its diameter is 1,060 kilometers. And of course, looking at these cards, that satellite and Earth, they look similar in size on the card, but remember this one was 1,060 kilometers. Earth is 12,756 kilometers. So maybe then you would start grouping them and saying, okay, let's put them in order from least to greatest. That would be amazing. And then the last thing you would do is I would have you group them all by type. Now, my first video deleted, so you're going to open up the second video now to show you how these things would, in fact, be sorted by type. And be ready to have your mind blown.